Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equals to 8 centimeter, angle B 45 degree and AB minus AC equals to 3.5 centimeter. First of all, we will draw the baseline BC as 8 centimeter. We will draw the baseline BC as 8 centimeter. This is base BC, 8 centimeter. After this, we will construct angle B equals to 45 degree. So we will construct angle B 45 degree. We construct 45 by bisecting 90 degree. So first of all we will draw 90 degree. This way we will construct 90 degree. After this we will bisect this 90 degree to construct an angle of 45 degree. We will open the radius of this compass so that we can move this compass freely, keeping at 90 degree point an arc and keeping the compass at the starting point of 90 degree. We will cut one more arc. Both the arcs will intersect at a point and this intersecting point will be joined to the initial point B. We will get this angle is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Now again we will take compass and radius of 3.5 centimeter in the compass. AB minus AC we want 3.5. So we will take 3.5. We will measure this 3.5 in a ruler. We will measure 3.5 in a ruler and we will keep the compass at the starting point B. We will cut an arc at a distance of 3.5 centimeter. Let this point be D. Let this point be D. We will join the point D to C. We will join this point D to point C. Now we will do the perpendicular bisector of this line CD. We will draw the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means more than half of CD. From point C, one arc above and below. Similarly, from point D, one arc above and below. We will join these two intersecting points and we will produce this line more. You all can see carefully. We will produce this line more. Similarly, we will produce this line also. So, you can see the perpendicular bisector of CD is produced upward. Similarly, this line BD is also produced. Both the produced lines intersect at a point A. And from this point A, we will join to point C. So this is required AC. We can see AB is a bigger length, AC is the smaller length. AB minus AC will give us 3.5 centimeter in this construction. So this is the required complete construction. Thank you.